What is up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Keybeard, in the very hot lock shed today. And today I'm going to be picking a gold P. It is a very fun lock to play with, very tough keyway, and it does work perfectly. So here's the deal. I've already picked it. I'm going to be splicing some video together. So what happened? It's hot in here. So I was trying to make a video. It was just too hot. I was sweating. I couldn't get it open for the video, so I gave up. Turned the air conditioner back on. And then, I'll just play with it a little bit. So I started playing with it. I mean, you know what? Let me do some video camera checking stuff. So I turned the camera back on with the air conditioning back on, see what kind of sound I got, and I picked at it and opened it. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to continue with it, do the gutting. This is going to be the video. So there is a non-cut video, which will be after this introduction, of me picking this gold P and gutting it for you guys. No fancy camera cheating. It's just hot out. Things, before I start, things that I've noticed on it. The keyway is just a pain in the butt for these guys. Yes, that is what you're fighting on these things. Okay, yes, very good security pins too, but look at that. Look at that keyway right there. It's just crazy. If I can get that, there we go. It's just some crazy bitting that you're trying to fight through. So I like to do top of the keyway, and you're trying to like lift that pin like that without accidentally hitting that part of the keyway and right here, which makes you think you're in a false set, and you try to set it and you drop everything. Secondly, extremely light tension on these guys. When I was picking it, all I did was almost just a thumb pressure just to there, just until it gets it to the core doesn't move. Just barely any pressure on it. Like almost lighter than an American lock. And you will be dropping pins. With that light tension, you go through the whole pin stack. You'll pick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, and once you get to 5, you hear drops. So you kind of constantly going back and forth, just picking those pins back up, because you're trying to set one, drops it. Set another one, drops it. Until you finally get that right order and that light touch, and boom, you got that open. But enough talking, guys. Here comes the video of me picking this here gold P. Enjoy it. All right, let's do a quick test with the air conditioner on, camera facing away from the air conditioner, and see if I can get away with running the air conditioner while picking. Click on 1, couple clicks on 2, another click on 1. Yeah. Keep that fixed straight. some sauce. So, riding that. Still good. 2. Playing mind games on number 2. Like 1. Two. Again. It's a good set though. So, let's see what I gotta touch now. There's 2. There it is. Look at that. Under 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and gut it. There we go. Alright guys. I didn't think I was going to get it open. I was just kind of messing around playing with the air conditioning. I'm going to take it. So let's gut it. Let's set it right here for a minute. My pinning tree out. I got nothing ready. There we go. Let's fold it down. There we go. Zoom out a little. Nice. We can lock it back up because I do have a key. Let's get that apart. We have 2 Phillips heads right here. Another one right here. There we go. And it's kind of neat. It has a ball bearing in it. So we're we're going to drop that ball bearing out. Now, I need a follower. And I believe that's my guy. With my keys. Let's do that. And we're going to push him out, but I got to be careful because somewhere in here there's ball bearings right there. Oh, one, lost one. Okay. Where'd he go? Okay, so he's right here. Oh, 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 oh. Hold on. This might be a disaster. I have nothing prepared for this. There we go. Come on. We'll set you right there. Okay. I got one more ball bearing. I'm going to drop right there. There we go. Okay. I'm going to pull the key. I'm going to leave the key in for just a second. So there's a spring right there on the side. So I'm going to pull that spring out. Set him up here. Same with you. And there's a spring on the... Okay, I'm going to pull him out. I'm going to pull the key out. There we go. There's a spring on the other side. If I can get it to focus. There we go. There's a spring on the other side I'm going to pull out. I don't know what these are actually for, but they're on both sides. So let's start with pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. Let's get them lined up a little bit. Flip that guy over, flip that guy over, flip that guy over, flip that guy over. There we go. There actually is some counter milling on the inside of this. Look at that. Lovely. Nice counter milling on all 6 pinholes. Okay. Let's drop these guys. Where is my... Yes. We're going to start here on 1. Let's zoom back out just a little bit more. So I'm going to bring it in just a little bit. Maybe not. Focus. If I zoom in on it. There, ooh, yeah, that's a pretty... No, don't just focus on... There we go. So right there we have a nice... Looks like a spool, which I'm going to throw right here in 1. And I'll grab that spring later. Pin 2. We have a tapered. And pin 3. Oh, dropped him. Come back. Pin 3 we have a, looks like a T-pin. Okay, I'm going to drop these springs, they're all the same. Move to the back. There we go. And 6, oops, come on, focus, there we go. Looks like another T-pin on 6. There we go. Come on, focus on it. Looks like a spool on 5. Let's drop those pins. Or drop those springs. There we go. Oh, oh, one more. Oh, we almost lost him. And this guy is a spool on 4 and a spring. There we go. Let's set these guys up. There we go. There we go. Let's pull that out. So there it is, folks. This is the goal P. Nothing, no counter milling on the inside of the Bible. You see this hole, that's where those ball bearings sit. You can see it goes through and through. We'll take a closer look at these guys. Here we go. Now what's really neat about these is they're actually a hollow tip, kind of a pin. So the springs actually kind of sit inside that pin. I don't know what that means picking wise, but it's pretty cool. And all 6 pins have that. There it is, the Gold P with a very loud air conditioning in the background. It is hot, fellas. I'm sorry. But I wanted to be comfortable while I did this one. So we got here on these bottom ends, looks like they're all kind of like a tapered, ooh, a dirty finger. We got tapered key pins. I'm just gonna grab 2 here. Like a tapered key pin, and it does have a nice taper on the top too. So that does make it just slightly easier. Kind of helps you smooth into place. And it looks like we got some spools, tapered spool, T-pin, spool. This one looks like just a heavier spool, and then another T-pin. Alright guys, that is the Gold P, picked, gutted, good to go. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to lock in, which means like. Cheesy wordplay, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy picking, everybody.